Hi, second graders. Here we are at 6.5 already today. We're going to regroup ones and tens today, so shouldn't be much more difficult, but sometimes kiddos forget a step, so we want to make sure that you guys are doing exactly what you need to do. On this first page, you're supposed to do mental math. Mental math means to be able to do it in your brain, okay, on all of these problems. So 40 plus 20, like we expect that you should be able to know that right away. You know, I can easily say 40 plus 20 is 60, right? If you weren't able to do that in your brain quick, you can do 0 plus 0 is 0, 4 plus 2 is 6, and that's 60. Okay, so I'm just going up. It was basically two tens. So what about 200 plus 700? In your brain quickly, mental math is when it comes out of your brain quick and you don't have to use any fingers, just do it. It should be 900. Hopefully you were able to do that mentally. 70 plus 30. Little harder in the fact 0 plus 0 is 0, but what is 7 plus 3? 7 plus 3 is 10, so 70 plus 30 is actually 100. Yeah, good. And then 500 plus 300 is essentially like 5 plus 3, right? And then put two zeros after it. Should be 800. Good. All right, what about 10 plus 30 plus 40? You can do 10 plus 30 is 40, and then 40 plus 40 is 80. 100 plus 400 plus 200? 100 plus 400 plus 200. You got to do two of them first, so if you do 400 plus 100 first or 400 plus 200 first, what did you get? 700. Good. 50 plus 40 plus 10. 10 plus 50 plus 40. However, or whatever order you do that in, it is going to be 100. And then 600 plus 300, you add those up, those are 900. Good. Mental math. By the end of second grade, you should be able to do all of your addition facts in your brain without having to use your fingers or anything like that. Okay? All right, let's jump into regrouping both the ones and the tens today. So in our example, you always start in the ones, 9 plus 6, okay? Well, 9 plus 6 equals 15. So 15 looks like this. A 5 needs to go in the ones place, and then I need to regroup this 10. Remember, it needs to go in the tens. It's a 10. It's not 100. So make sure it goes right up here in front of 10. So then I have to do 1 plus 5 plus 7. And if you add those up, 5 plus 7 is 12, plus one more would be 13. Well, remember, this is 13 tens. So 13 tens is actually 130. So 0 for the ones, a 3 for the tens, and this 1 needs to come up here and be 100. So it comes over here right above the hundreds place, and then you're going to do 1 plus 2 plus 4, and that equals 7. Okay, so you just kind of have to be careful that when you regroup, that 1 goes above the correct digit. If you accidentally put a 10 in the hundreds place, then that's going to mess your answer all up. So down here, number 1, 184 plus 329. We're going to do a lot of problems today, basically just so you can practice. The more problems we do, the better you're going to get. So start in the ones. 4 plus 9, or you can flip them, do 9 plus 4. That answer is 13. So in a 13, the 3 goes here. We regroup the 110 up here. So now I have 1 plus 8 plus 2. If you add those up, 8 plus 2 is 10, plus one more would be 11. And then, but remember, that's 11 tens. So 1 10 goes up here. The other 10 tens get regrouped into 100, and it goes right up here as 100. So 1 plus 1 plus 3 is going to be 5. 513 is the answer. Okay? All right. Number 2, 546 plus 278. All right, so if you start in the ones and you do 6 plus 8 first, you get, I'll give you a couple seconds to add it up, 14. Put the 4 here. Regroup your 10. Make sure, you guys, that it's going above the 10s. That's 14 ones, so that's the same as 4 ones and 1 10. So that 110 needs to go above the tens place. Then you can do 7 plus 4 plus 1. And that should be 12. So in a 12, that's 12 tens. So 2 of the 10s come here. The 10 10s get regrouped as 100. Remember, in 12, this goes in the 10s place, and then this goes over here. So 1 plus 5 plus 2, that equals, excuse me, sorry for my yawn, 8. 824. Try a few more together. Remember, at any point if I'm going too fast, you can always hit the pause button, try them, and then come back and check them. Or if you want to watch how I do it and then go try to do it on your own, you're welcome to do that too. 327 plus 353. So I start with the 1. 7 plus 3. 8, 9, 10. So a 10 has a 0 in the 1's place and a 1 in the 10's place. Then I'm going to do 5 plus 2 plus 1. Oh, geez, I can't stop yawning. I'm so sorry. Okay. 5, 6, 7, 8 would be the 5 plus 2 plus 1. 8. Well, is there any, in the number 8, there's just one digit, right? So do I need to regroup on that one? No, the answer is no. So then 3 plus 3, and that's easy. That's the doubles, and that is 6. 680. Right. Number 4, I want you to go ahead and start by adding up those ones. 234 plus 152. 4 plus 2 is 6. Did you need to regroup? Nope, there's nothing in the 10's place. So then I can do 3 plus 5. That is 8. And then 2 plus 1 is 3. 386. One of those that's so easy when you don't even have to regroup. Makes it super simple. 375 plus 272. Start in the ones. 5 plus 2. That is 7. 7 plus 7, that's the doubles. That would be 14. 1 plus 3 plus 2 is 6. 647. That one you just had to regroup the hundreds. Okay. Right. Number 6, 189 plus 623. I'm going to give you a couple seconds to try this one on your own. I'm going to talk you through it. Start in the 1. 9 plus 3. See if you need to regroup. Put the numbers where they need to go, and then add up your 10s. See if you need to regroup those, and then add up your hundreds. Give you a few more seconds here. I know you guys can do it. Okay, 9 plus 3 is 12. You should have put your 2 here, regrouped your 10 up above. 1 plus 8 plus 2. Well, 8 plus 2 is 10, plus 1 more would be 11. So that 11, the 1 goes here, and the other one goes up to the hundreds. And then 1 plus 1 plus 6 would be 8. 812. Whoopsie, sorry, I just dropped something. 812 is the answer. All right, kiddos. Here's the point where I think you're ready to try these on your own. So pause the video, do 7 through 15, all 9 of these. If you are getting stuck as you're practicing, you can check the purple box. Go back over the purple box with a grown-up to help you understand what you're doing wrong, because I can't see your work. So you may be having a hard time putting them, regrouping and putting it in the wrong spot. But definitely have a grown-up check it for you. And we'll come back here in just a minute whenever you're done to check your answers. All right, guys, here we are back. You must be ready to check your answers. So in number 7, I only actually didn't have to regroup my 1. So 4 plus 1 is 5. 8 plus 7 is not 5, it's 15. So I put my 5 down here and regroup my 100 up here. 5 plus 2 plus 1 is 8. 855. Did you get it? Awesome. Number 8. 6 plus 3 is 9, so no regrouping there. 1 plus 8 is 9, so no regrouping there. 4 plus 4 is 8, no regrouping there. 899. Awesome. Number 9, there's going to be both regrouping this time, so you got to slow down. 6 plus 7 is 13, so I put my 3 here, regroup up here. Okay? All right, and then 9 plus 4 plus 1 is 14. So I put my 4 here, regroup up here. And then 5 plus 3 plus 1 is 9, so 943 is your answer there. Okay, and number 10, 365 plus 283. 5 plus 3 is 8. No need to regroup. You're all good. Just put the 8. 8 plus 6 or 6 plus 8 is 14. So I put my 4 down here, regroup. But don't be careful. Don't put it up here. That would be useless. You have to put it up over the hundreds. So 600, and then you add up the hundreds. 3 plus 2 plus 1, 648. Number 11, 7 plus 9 is 16. Regroup. 4 plus 1 plus 0 is 5. And then 6 plus 1 is 7. 756. Number 12, you had both regrouping here. So 6 plus 6, that's the doubles, is 12. Put the 2 here. Regroup. Don't put it over in the hundreds. Make sure you go right to the next digit and put it there. Okay? And then 1 plus 4 plus 5, well, 4 plus 5 was just 9, but once we have that regroup, it turns into 10. So the 0 goes here, and the 1 goes up here. 5 plus 3 plus 1 is 9. 902. Got 3 problems left. 8 plus 1 is 9. 4 plus 3 is 7. 3 plus 6 is 9. I know I'm kind of going pretty fast. You remember you were supposed to pause the video and get all these done. So if you notice you've missed one, if you need to pause the video to correct your response, you can do that. Please don't just move on. If you got it wrong, you need to correct it, or else you're not going to get any better. Okay, number 14, 455 plus 139. 5 plus 9 is 14, so my 4 goes down here, regroup. 5 plus 3 plus 1. A lot of kids forget to add this 1 when it's up here. Don't forget. Oh, I got to pause my video because my phone's ringing. Hold on. I'm so sorry about my phone ringing. It was a parent just answering that, so sorry to get back to it. But here we are. So we were on number 14. 5 plus 9 was 14. Like I said, don't forget to add this one. 5 plus 3 is 8, plus 1 more is 9. If all of your answers are off by 1, you're going to know that you're forgetting to add that one that you regrouped. And then 4 plus 1 is 5, 594. All right, and number 15, 563 plus 245. 5 plus 3 is 8. No need to regroup. 6 plus 4 is 10. So you do need to regroup on this one. Put your 0 here. Regroup your up into the hundreds. 5 plus 2 is 7. Plus 1 more is 8. 808. And number 16, go ahead and watch that math on the spot video so you can go over these answers and figure those out. And then there's so the mid-chapter checkpoint, you're going to definitely want to do. That means we're halfway through the chapter. This is not an option. You need to make sure you go through and do all these for the extra practice that, because we're halfway through the chapter, and this will tell you if you need extra practice in anything that we've done so far. So have your grown-up check over this once you're done with it. All right, guys, good luck. Have a great day. Sorry about the phone ringing. Bye.